Hello everyone, welcome to Experience My Soul. Today we have Madhavi Menerji with us, and where shall I start introducing her? She is a singer, a dancer, a storyteller, a theatre artist, and oh my god, she does everything that is to do with art. So let's get right to Madhavi ji. Hello Madhavi ma'am.
Hi, Pranav. How are you?
I'm good and it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Madhavi ma'am, before we start into any very particular questions, can you just give our audience your journey, a brief of your journey?
Okay. Um. So, thank you, Experience Mysore, for having me. And for me, as far as my journey is concerned, it is I belong to a family of musicians, a family of patrons for the arts. So, I have been initiated into classical music from the very, very beginning. And my father was a very exquisite veena player. So I had a lot of encouragement from him and his brothers and sisters who were all singing and playing an instrument. It could be flute, it could be mridangam. So my training began there. Uh, and as I grew, my parents also felt that I was very inclined to the arts. And so they pushed me, they encouraged me to delve into the field of arts. And as I grew on in age, I realized that this is my calling. This is where I want to be. Um, but of course, post school and post during college, I went into Sangeeta Shiromani in Delhi University. And I also went to the Vidyalaya in New Delhi, Gandhar Vidyalaya. So for me, it has been a juxtaposition of all the arts. And I have been trying to uh, keep that art alive in me and around me. So that is why when I came to Mysore, I began the Mysore Storytellers Network Just, and which kind of helps me engage with the arts all the time. So I don't know if that has answered your question, but
That answers my question beautifully. And you just said a very beautiful thing, ki you're trying to keep the art going and moving. And how has that been?
it's hard. It's hard. As of today, patronage for the arts is very, very low. True. So you just have to keep at it. And money may not come, it may not be economically viable, but I think it feeds the soul. So I have kept it alive like that through my readings, through my stories, through my dance and music. Uh, I think in today's age and time, it is only the arts that is going to help us heal in so many ways.
So, Madhavi ji, since you have associated yourself with a lot of art forms, and basically every art form, it might be a song, कोई भी गाना हो, कोई भी डांस हो, कोई भी folk art हो या theater हो, वो story ही बताते हैं. They tell a story. So how is storytelling? Is it any different, or do you think everything go intertwined?
I think it's the same because anything that you, even if a song that you sing, has a story to it. So I don't think it is different from storytelling. A song is also telling a story. A dance is also telling a story. A conversation also has a story, a background story. So I think they're all intertwined. These arts are intertwined. And I think it is this juxtaposition that enables the artist to kind of delve in the detailing of all these art forms and bring out his or her best. Yeah.
And this the next question is going to be a little personal to me because मैं अभी दिल्ली में रह रहा हूँ and you've been in Delhi.
Right.
What did Delhi do to your I'll not say Delhi, I'll say Delhi. What did Delhi do to you as a person and as an artist?
Oh, very difficult question. Mm. I think it kind of widened my horizon as a child, as a young youth. And I think what Delhi did to me was it kind of exposed me to very, very different kinds of art forms. For instance, Pandwani. And I have watched Tijan by 120 times, Bogey. And I also had the privilege of training under her.
Oh,
Yeah, for a very brief while. Then she fell very ill.
yeah.
But again, it's not just her, but it's Pandwani that also helped me look at stories in a different way. I mean, how she held the instrument, how she moved her body, how she moved from one place to the other. How she vocalized her stories, and looking at the audience, looking at her instrument. So I think these were little techniques that enabled me to grow as a storyteller. That's one example. So to say that Delhi really widened my horizons as a storyteller. क्योंकि वहाँ इतने सारे आर्ट फॉर्म्स अभी तक हम तो जानते हो.
Very true.
So it's not just the availability of the art form. I think that is also very, very crucial to learning, to be able to go to a place and see the art and soak in that art form. Yeah. So that's what Delhi did.
I can see a lot of passion for art and theater. That is very intriguing to me as a person because मेरे में भी वो the passion towards art and inclination. And अभी मैं आपसे क्या पूछूं जो आपने आंसर नहीं दिया. You have answered almost everything. So Madhavi ma'am, let's move into our new segment, which is the rapid fire questions.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna ask you a few rapid fire questions, and you have to give me answers ASAP.
Okay.
Let's go. So Madhavi ma'am, Delhi or Mysore?
Oh, Mysore.
Mysore. Kathakali or storytelling?
Both.
Both. Favorite performance of yours?
Putana Moksha.
Putana Moksham. One experience you can't forget as an artist?
It's a little longish answer. So, dancing with my guru in Delhi.
Your favorite artist, irrespective of the field?
There are so many.
Name a few.
T.M. Krishna. Okay. The Ila Samson. Sarjipta Paligrahi, who's no more, was a very famous Odissi dancer. My guru, Sadanam Balakrishna. And I think now, when I look at theatre and when I look at dance, I think Kapila Vera.
Okay.
Yeah. Kudiyata.
And that has been the rapid fire question segment.
Oh, with that. Good.
Yeah, we're done. We have put you out of the tension of the tension of answering the questions quickly.
Yes, yes.
So Madhvi ma'am, thank you for coming to experience Mysore and thank you for attending this. And for all of you guys who are watching this, Madhvi ma'am will be performing in Experience Mysore in the stage of Experience Mysore, and come witness her to experience the real form of storytelling, the intensity, the drama, and the entertainment she gives while storytelling. Thank you very much.